Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can enable dark mode on YouTube on PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your account because the dark mode setting only appears when you are signed in. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile or channel icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with different settings and options. Inside this menu, look for the option called Appearance. This is where YouTube lets you control how the interface looks on your screen. When you click on Appearance, you'll see multiple theme options like Light Mode, Device Theme, and Dark Theme. Now select Dark Theme. As soon as you click it, YouTube will automatically refresh and switch the entire interface into dark mode. The background will turn black or dark gray, and the text will adjust to make it easier on your eyes. This is especially useful if you watch videos at night or in low light because it reduces eye strain and makes the viewing experience more comfortable. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and choose light mode again from the same appearance menu. And that's it. Your YouTube is now in dark mode and ready for a better viewing experience. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.